acorn. You got it. Get it, Bella. Get it. Get it. Molly, help her out.
There goes the bushes.
Where's the acorn? Get it off your back.
It's still there.
She's tired.
I can't believe it didn't fall off. That is one special dog. She's like tries to sneak up on it.
She's wearing herself out.
There it is. It's stuck on her back. No, I'm videotaping. See, it's stuck on her back there. Oh, there you go.
Bella, get your acorn. Get it. Get it, Bella.
Touch her back so she knows where it's at.
Bella. Get it. Bella, get the acorn. Molly, help her. Get the acorn off her.
She's snapping at it.